Hello beautiful people, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So for today's video I'm going to be playing with Alter Ego. The new eyeshadow they came out with is called Misthaven, and I'm going to be doing two looks with it. One simple look, like a natural day-to-day makeup, and then another one that's going to be dark and smoky. So if that interests you, then keep on watching. Okay, so today I'm going to be playing with this gorgeous palette. This is the Misthaven palette by Alter Ego. And of course, this one is duping the Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge palette, I think it's called. I'm going to pop it in the screen somewhere so you can see it. And this is gorgeous. Look how stunning those shades. I mean, I know I can hit pan on a lot of these colors, to be honest. Because these are the ones that I gravitate towards when I'm in a rush or just want to put like a quick makeup look, an easy makeup look. These are the colors that I love. So I'll be doing two looks, and let me first show you the swatches. Okay, I gotta take a quick minute to just explain. This came in so secured in this giant box. Look at it. In this giant box, and with a gigantic bubble wrap around it, and inside it was with another bubble wrap, so you know it's not gonna break or anything. I mean, it's just great. All makeup brands should do that, especially with the eyeshadow palettes, because sometimes they ship everything in a little flimsy bag, and I'm like, I've had bad experiences with those. Everyone should do that. Secure the palettes, man. So I love the packaging. It was very secured, and I'm loving these colors. So for the first look, I gotta explain that. For the first look, I did a simple day-to-day look that you could do on the go. It's quick, it's fast, it's perfect for just running some errands or going to work or whatever. And I didn't have my mic connected. My mic was not connected, and I was talking and everything and showing you everything and telling you stories. I don't even remember what I was jabbing about. But then at the end, at the very end, that's when I noticed that I didn't have my microphone connected, not even near me. The microphone was somewhere else. So what I'm gonna do is just put a music over that, and you can still see the look that I'm creating and everything, and the colors that I'll be using, but I'll put music on it. So if you see me kind of talking in there, that's what it is. It's because I thought I had my microphone on, but I don't. And I almost did the same thing now today. I almost forgot to connect my microphone, but it's here. Hello. So let me show you the first look. So I'm back. I finished the look, and I just realized that I didn't have my microphone connected. Can you believe that? All that time, I wasn't even near my microphone. My microphone was all the way in the other room. So I'll just put a music over all that. so you could still see the look, how I did it and how I created it. I will show you all the shades that I use. So, but yeah, sorry about that. So this is the first look. I'm loving it. I love all the shades that I use. That sparkle right here, that little shimmer is very sparkly. I think it's out of all the shimmers that I tried today, which was only 2, that one's my favorite. And it's called Cluster. It's this one right here. Gorgeous shade. So we'll see you for the next look. For the second look, I want it to be dark and vampy and smoky and just dark, you know what I mean? Like you could take it there too if you want. And if you don't know me, if you're new to this channel, I like both subtle looks and I love grungy looks and dark looks and like spooky looks. I love it all. So I'm split in 2, I say. I'm like the yin yang. I like the dark and morbid, and then I like the cutesy and the subtle. So for today's look, I think I'm going to start with this shade because I love this shade. This matte, I love the color of it so much. It's mauvey, but it's a deeper version of a mauvey, and it has that little purple undertone to it, which I love. So I'm going to start over here. I'm going to put this in the crease. Yesterday with the first look, I didn't have any problem with fallout except for one of the shimmers, but I dusted it off with powder and it was fine. So today I think I want to try a different shimmer because this does bring 6 of them. I used 2 on the first look, so today I think I'm going to use another one. Let me know if you have this palette, what you think of it. I've always been curious to try Alter Ego's palettes because they do amazing dupes and it's usually always spot on. Like they nail it every time, and sometimes for the videos that I've seen, the shimmers tend to pop more than the original. So I don't have the Huda Beauty one, so I can't really do a side-by-side, but for the most part I've seen a couple of videos and it's spot on. Look how beautiful that color. I'm gonna take this higher. I'm also gonna put that same shade down here, and I'm using the same brush. Let's test that matte black, which is called Void, and see if I like that one. I'm gonna put that in the crease and all over the lid. I want this to be mostly black. Oh, that's a nice black. I'm impressed. Yes, you know, sometimes they add a black, and I mean, by they, I mean some brands, and it turns out to be like a dark gray, but no, not this one. This one's actually black. So I'm happy about that. I approve of this black. And you know I'm picky with my black eyeshadows. So I decided to throw in this wig because I stepped out in the morning to run some errands and it rained on me. And my bangs were just destroyed. My hair looked so frizzy, and the best way to fix that quickly is throw on a wig. Going in with the first brush with the other color to kind of not lose that other shade, so I'm going to add a little bit more and blend it upwards really close to my eyebrows. For all the mattes are amazing quality. I have no complaints. Now with a smaller brush like this one, I'm going to take the black again in the lower lash line, but closer to the lower lash line, and connect it up here. Okay, so I'm debating on what shimmer to use. Let's see, I haven't tried Twinkle, which is this one. That's very pretty. I haven't tried Secrets. This one's darker. It's not going to be that much difference if I use this one. Then Mist. Gorgeous brown. Ooh. It's pretty. And then I haven't tried Dreams, which is this one. Ooh, I think. I don't know which one I like more. I think I'm gonna use, wait. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use Dreams first. I'm gonna put glitter primer on in this little area here and I'll be back. Okay, let's take that shade called Dreams. Oh yeah, I like it. Ooh, yeah. Great choice, great choice. That's stunning. So I used the black and I went heavy with the black. No fallout, which is great. Now I'm just gonna sprinkle on top of that with Cluster, which is the one that I absolutely love of all the shimmers. Is this one. I used it in the first look as well. And just pop it like right around here, like scattered. Take this all the way up here. I'm gonna add this gel liner from ColourPop. It's black, the waterline, and then above I'm gonna do a wing with the e.l.f. one, which is liquid. Adding a little bit of blush. This is by J-Cat, right? Yeah, J-Cat. And it's actually the darkest, the deepest blusher that I have. It's called Betty Boop. I think this is the second time that I've tried that color. Now for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the Ofra one. This is Rodeo Drive. So this is the final look. I enjoy this one a lot as well. Those shimmers that I tried today, absolutely stunning. I love them. I love all the mattes. The quality of the mattes, I'm super impressed because there's no kick up in the pan at all, but they're pigmented and they're easy to blend. So I really enjoy this palette a lot. I highly recommend it. I think it's great to do subtle looks, everyday makeup looks, and also you can vamp it up. So that's it for this video. I hope you're having a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.